All right, hello once again. I've got something different for you this time. This is a battery, for this responsible laptop here. I've gotten a HP EliteBook 830 G5, decent laptop, but then we're not going to be talking about the laptop today. I've got something decent for you. I'm just going to quickly open it up so that we get, very little explanations to do. All right, so that goes there and that comes here. This goes away so that we have a clean page. See guys, this is the replacement battery for this laptop here. See, when you have this laptop, it's very possible that after a long time, I'm not saying your battery is going to be defective after 2 days, after a long time, it is what it is. Batteries tends to wear out. It might be possible that the battery is not able to hold up the way it's supposed to hold up, and you kind of feel like, see, I think I need a new replacement battery for my laptop. See, you want to open the laptop, forget the fact that mine doesn't have a battery right here. It is what it is. But then let's assume your own has a battery and you have said to yourself, I want to change my battery. One thing you can possibly do is to go onto Amazon and buy this battery off of there. See, this is not the original HP battery, but I can tell you that this battery also works very good for this laptop because I have used it over and over and over and again. Last year, I sold about 100 pieces of this laptop here. Decent quality, decent condition. And each time I ever had a problem with the battery, I just went on Amazon and I bought one of the replacement batteries, which actually works very well for this battery. In this video, I'm just going to show you exactly, how you go ahead and fix the replacement battery. So when you receive the packet, you open it up, it's going to be exactly like this. And then if you have batteries on your laptop, what you want to do is to go ahead and unscrew it. I'm going to get my screwdriver. Give me 1 minute to do that. This is the kind of screwdriver you need, not the star head, but this kind of imbus lock. And you want to go ahead and open the screws on the laptop. That's one. And that's the second one. I think we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So I'm going to go ahead and take out all the screws. Take that out, and I just have one more to take out, which is right here. All right. And as soon as that is done, you want to go ahead and take out the defective battery. Just assume that this is the defective battery here. It's like that. You want to go ahead and take it out. Now that you've removed the screws, you just unplug the connector. The connector is that which you have right here. You're going to unplug it and then just lift out the defective battery. Then you're going to take the new battery. This is a very new battery. I've not used it before, but then, like I said, you can actually go ahead and get it off of Amazon. But if you say no, hardware money, I do not want to go and start searching on Amazon. Just give me the link. There's going to be a link right below this video to this exact product. So you're going to take your new battery and slot it in right there. Grab the connector just like that. Make sure you are holding it gently and then slot it on. And you actually have this battery right now in place. All you now have to do is just to replace the screws that you have taken out of there. The beautiful thing is that this screwdriver right here kind of has a magnetic tip. So if the screws were to fall into the laptop, it's just very easy for me to take it out and then screw them on to where they're supposed to be. Okay, I still have 3 more to go. Just going to close that like that. And that comes here. And the last one actually comes here. Okay, so if you have done that, you have succeeded in replacing this battery. So all you actually have to do is to go ahead, make sure you fully charge this battery. Like I said, this is not the original HP battery, but I have found this replacement battery to be of very, very good quality. I have used it over and over and again. I never ever had problems with it. If you want to go by way of this kind of batteries, feel free to use the link in the description below. And if you are saying to yourself, hardware money, I do not want to buy batteries, but I just need a responsible laptop, then in this case, you have to go to the hardware money shop and you will be glad you did. Until I see you again in the next one. Peace.